Yeah, this it's not super dry, but it's dry. It could use some water.
The life of a new tree.
The first 12 months is critical.
Big or small. When transplanting a tree to your yard, the formula for success is H2O.
The slower the water, the better. The better the roots absorb it.
How often do you need to water? The first step is to get your hands dirty.
About 5 inches away from the trunk, 5-6 inches.
Dig a small hole next to the root ball.
My hand's right here by the roots.
Moist root soil shows the tree is getting the water it needs. Now you're ready to start a watering schedule.
You want to water probably a good 25-30 minutes, slow trickle, depending on the season and how dry we are and how much rain we've gotten.
Water between 2 to 3 times a week, but only if your tree needs it. Keep checking the soil.
You want to make sure your bed's well raised. We recommend anywhere from 6 to 8 inches. We even raised beds as high as 2 feet.
How much water do shrubs need? To find out, use the same advice I give on the radio. Stick your finger in it.
So you dig down your finger about 2-3 inches on a shrub to see how moist the roots are.
Know your trees and trust your instincts. Also, beware of overwatering.
And if they're drowned completely, they get suffocated and they lack of oxygen. The roots don't breathe.
After the first year, it gets easier. Invest the time now. And don't forget to shape them while they're young.
If you cut it right above this node here, it's going to branch out that way. If you do it on this one, it's going to branch out that way.
Plan before each cut.
So this is going to branch out and start shooting out this way.
I get my plants and trees and expert advice at RCW Nurseries, my certified home show pro of all things green and growing. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.